Several months later.
Uh, Welcome back, guys. After I had 2 long months, I was busy with my personal work and my office work. Yesterday, I have just finished my short trip. ज़्यादा कुछ खास नहीं था destination के पास. Yes, we went to Pocharam Dam. That was around 109 kilometers from Hyderabad, to be precise. The destination was not so good as that of previous one. I really don't recommend to go visit to that place. I don't see it as an attractive. तो थोड़ा disappointment तो मिला था. And we started at around 6 a.m. in the morning and we have got back to Hyderabad at around 2 p.m. afternoon. और yeah, तो धूप के तो चरपटे पड़े. We got tanned out and then I can see burns on my skin. I also recommend you guys not to go out during the summer. And I will prefer not to go out or not to go for a ride. Sorry for that. I'll again resume it by end of May or by early June. Get on to the GoPro.
All right, we are ready to हो गया डन.
या माय फ्रेंड इज वेटिंग आउटसाइड गेट. समझ रहा हूँगा क्या रे ने इतना टाइम ले रहा, आज बाहर आता नहीं आता बोल के. लेट मी सेट द डेस्टिनेशन एंड स्टार्ट ऑफ एज सून एज पॉसिबल. Estimated time is 2 hours 9 minutes and now the time is 6:15 a.m. Hopefully we'll reach by 9 including breakfast.
सचिन भाई बहुत दिन के बाद,
बहुत
सालों के बाद कैसा है?
ठीक हो तो
नहीं है?
हाँ
चलेंगे?
अपन दोनों ही मैसेज आओ. युगेंद्र भी आ रहा है.
युगेंद्र नहीं आना करते, लास्ट मिनट में कैंसिल करा.
By the way, ये है मेरा दोस्त सचिन, स्कूल का दोस्त है. We met after 9 years. Surprisingly मिलते ही we got into it. So yes, we reach April and from here Google shows to take left, but that road is an army road and a restricted route, but not sure whether army will allow us to go inside it or not. Yeah, let's go and check it out. अरे यहाँ के लोग बहुत हेल्थ कॉन्शियस दिख रहे रे. बहुत से लोग देख वॉकिंग कर रहे. I need to off my camera now. Alright, we are back onto the GoPro mode. ये गूगल क्या रे गली गली में से लेके जा रहा हूँ. అమ్మయ్యా ఈ గల్లీలో నుంచి బయట పడడం రా బాబు ఇప్పుడు. और दिन तल्ली गेट పడిందిగా.
क्या तो भी है रे.
A few minutes later.
जल्दी खोल यार, गाड़ी निकल के 2 मिनट हो गया. Right, quick update. Time is around 6:45 and we are crossing Bollaram railway station. I hope the camera angle is going good this time. And the route we are taking is NH44, that is a Nagpur highway for the first 50 kilometers. And from there, the remaining 50 kilometers is a state highway which will be going through Chegunta and Medak. So we arrived till Suchitra and from here we need to take right and రమణ లోడ్ ఎత్తాలిరా, చెక్ పోస్ట్ పడుతుంది. An update, we just stopped for a quick breakfast. The time is around 7:23. We might reach by 9 as per Google. Alright, we are running late. Sachin, खींचना पड़ता रे. We need to raise Google's time. Or at least we need to reach there by Google's time. ओ अंकल तैयारियां मस्त भर रही है, आगे पीछे ऑटो के पैसे बचा दिए बोलो. Yeah, there are a couple of diversions. Other than that, the road is very super smooth and very good. here we need to take left. That takes us to Chegunta and Medak. Yeah, end of National Highway. Yes, we reached Medak. We still have 16 kilometers left to reach our destination. And yes, I can see the Pocharam Dam now. अरे रुक अरे वो फेंसिंग के पीछे दिखा रहा रूट. चलो लेट्स गो ऑफ रोड. अरे देख क्या बहुत डाउन है, पूरा रेती है. इट माइट स्किड. कम ऑन कुछ भी नहीं ఓకే స్లో. ఏందిరా ఇది బొమ్మ కనిపిస్తుంది అంటే కిందికి వచ్చినాం, అసలు బొమ్మ కూడా లేదు ఇక్కడ. So this guy said to check out on the other side. There's nothing there as well except for some good view and pictures. So let's go and check it out there.
सोचा नहीं था ऐसा रहता बोल के. पॉइंट 1 टू बी नोटेड क्या है बोले तो, नेवर ट्रस्ट गूगल अम्मा, नेवर ट्रस्ट गूगल पिक्चर्स.
Yeah, we got one road that takes us to other side. Let's try this and check it out. What is the view from there? Amma. Oh yes. I remember this place. I saw it in Google Images. Yeah, this will be very scenic one, very beautiful one during the monsoon. And yes, this will be the must visit place during the next monsoon season. I'll be just keeping this place as to be visited list. Here is a point where the water overflows from the reservoir and moves on to the other side. This will be a very scenic place during the monsoon season. కనీసం ఇదైనా దొరికింది, ఒక మహల్ లాంటిది చూపించుకోవడానికి. ఎవరు మా లాంటి వాళ్ళు ఎవరో ఇద్దరు వచ్చి ఉన్నారు.
इट वॉज अ वेरी बिग डिसअपॉइंटमेंट. जो समझे थे वो नहीं था. ठीक है, खैर थोड़ा फोटोशूट तो हो गया, निकलेंगे फिर. तो व्यू तो उतना खास कुछ नहीं है, वैसे ही पत्थरों में पानी में पत्थर.
As it is a large reservoir and it could be great if Telangana government uses it full-fledgedly in terms of tourist spot, thereby promoting tourism and also generating revenue from it.
और यहाँ कुछ महल है, तो खाली पड़ा हुआ है. इट्स एन अबैंडन्ड वन. बस यही आज का संडे का ट्रिप. तो आसपास पे कुछ डियर ब्रीडिंग सेंटर है, तो एक बार जाके सब विजिट मार के बस डियर वियर को हाई वाई बोल के निकल जाते हैं. और हाँ, देयर आर टू मेनी ऑफ पीकॉक्स इन दिस एरिया.
And तब तक take a look on the time lapse in just 3, 2, 1. And yes, I can see people started coming to check this place now. Anyhow, we are starting off, and on the way we have a deer breeding center, it seems, but not sure whether it's opened or not to go inside.
गर्मी चढ़ गई रे, लोगों से चरपटे लगते हैं। गाइस साहब ज़रा प्लीज़ दे तो हम लोग निकल जाते। बैक ऑन टू स्टेट हाईवे। ये लेफ्ट साइड में दिखा रहा है ये।
Unfortunately, deer breeding center is closed due to COVID. So, we'll start off to home then.
बंद है ना?
नहीं रे, मैं अभी पूछ के आया अंदर, तो वो लोग बोल रहे कि कोविड की वजह से पूरा deer breeding center पूरा क्लोज करके रखा है।
शायद, लेकिन वहाँ पे जीप है रे।
Yeah, so we are heading back home. Hey, hold on, I just spotted Medak Church. Not sure whether they'll allow us inside the church or not, but let's. अरे आज संडे है ना, so I think there will be a special prayer. तो देखेंगे, if it is possible, we'll get in and we'll have some pictures, or else we'll not disturb and we'll move on. Man, the architecture is too beautiful. Yeah, but let us not disturb them. We'll move on.
నాకు అసలు ఇష్టం ఉండేది సాగిలపడి అనే మాట. వారి జ్ఞానము, వారి హోదా, వారి ఐశ్వర్యము అవన్నీ
नहीं यहाँ पे
We found out something more scenic than Pocharam Reservoir.
ये आउट ऑफ सिलेबस निकला है।
Oh man, the sound of the waves is so satisfying.
awesome man.
Guys, I definitely recommend to have a look and listen to the soothing sound of these waves. This lake is somewhere between Medak and Chegunta. I really don't know the name of it, but it's so satisfying to listen to the wave sound. Alright, tata, bye bye. See you until next time.
नहीं मालूम, रास्ते में दिखा, खड़ गए हम लोग।
Alright, we are running late. धूप भी चढ़ गई, जोर से चरपटे पड़ रहे अपने को. Alright, let's fast forward. See you in Hyderabad. Bye bye. రోడ్డు మీద అడ్డంగా పెట్టి అట్ట చూస్తాయిందిరా అడ్డగాడిదా. మంచి ఫ్లోలో ఉండే వచ్చి అడ్డంగా పెట్టిండు. సో మనం ఎక్కడుంటే చలో మ్యూజిక్ కదా, చలో బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ మ్యూజిక్ స్టార్ట్.